Hey there, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to check out this device. So this is a Samsung Hero 3G which released back in 2012 maybe, and there were few more version of this device like Samsung Pocket and other things. So this device is still Samsung sell this kind of device, dumb phone type of thing, but can you use this device in 2023? So we're going to check out this device and we'll check we can use this device in 2023 or not. So I haven't used this kind of device before, although I have started my smartphone journey using Samsung devices like Samsung Galaxy Young, and then after that I have used few more Samsung devices, but I have never used this type of devices. But I have seen people using this kind of devices who has like Samsung smartphone. They used to have one of these device too with them, and I always wanted to check out one of this kind of device. So recently I have purchased few of these devices, maybe eight eight of them actually, about $20, and I will review a few more. I have few more interesting one too. So today we are going to check out this one. So, and we have this device actually, model number is something like 1234 hash device check. It's a Samsung Hero 3G E3309, and this is not really a great device, but as a dumb phone, this is one of the kind, actually one of a kind. So the display here actually is really low resolution, which is about 128 by 160 for 2-inch screen. If you take like some like Nokia of devices on about like this year, like 2012 or before, like 2010 and other devices, they used to have a much better display than this one, and the display is not really great on this device. But one positive thing about this device is it is having like 3G, so that's why I'm reviewing this thing actually. So also we have like micro USB. Usually Samsung used to give us their proprietary kind of thing with this kind of device, but this one has micro USB and also have 3.5 mm headphone jack. And another thing is it has a maybe 0.3 megapixel camera, which is pretty useless. And now going with the front, we, as I said, we have a 2-inch display which resolution is very low, and the keyboard actually is excellent here. So you will like it's really comfortable to like click these buttons. It's really clicky, you can feel that tick, tick, tick. So it's really clicky. Now going with the UI, so there is a menu button, and also we have navigation buttons, contact, and our T9 keypad. So if we click menu, so we have few things here. So we have our logs, contact, music player, web. By the way, you can still surf web on this device, and I have installed few things to show you guys. Messages, we have my file. So this device has 50 MB of internal storage and maybe 32 MB of RAM, and I did try putting SD card here, and I have now a 16 gig SD card here, which is working just fine. 32 gig, like 64 gig, 120 and 256, all those are not working. I have tried all of those, and only you can up to maybe 16 gig this device supports. And we have calendar section here. If you go there, you will get alarms, calendar, memo, tasks, world clock, timer, stopwatch, calculator, converter. So these things are here. And camera section, if we open the camera, as you can see, 0.3 megapixel camera, which can take still can take photos, as you can see here. Not really great, but for a dumb phone you can't really comment on this kind of thing, and pretty useless, but it's still working. And we also have email here, so you can continue. Like if we continue here, you can go with Gmail, and you can, maybe these things will not work anymore. And we are in application section here. If you go to application section, there are a few things. So there are Samsung proprietary software which is chat on. I don't know how to use this device or use the application. And we have Opera Mini here. So this Opera Mini is actually Opera Mini 4, which is working just fine here. And I did try to install Opera Mini 8 here, and I did install Opera Mini 8, but it didn't run. So if I try to browse Facebook, maybe I can browse through Opera Mini here. It's really slow though, but it's working. So continue. As you can see here, continue browsing. The Facebook, like the whole type of Facebook is here, but still you can browse, and you can still go to like Warp Trick to, if you want some games for this device, and if I go webtrick.com, it takes time, but still the web is still working. As I said, it has like 3G um, capability. So if you put a SIM card which is 3G enabled, it will work just fine. If you go to game section here, the main problem is the display resolution, and most of the games actually built for Nokia devices 240 by 320. So most of the games actually, although they will install in this device, but they don't really run. They will have few problem. But here you can still actually few of the games, as if you download from WebTrick, they will work just fine on this device. Although I don't think anyone will buy this device to play games, but if you buy one of these and if you want to pass some time, maybe you can. Then there is a Facebook, so you can go here, and we have Twitter, which is now X, and we have a Messenger section here. So if you go to Messenger, there are few things: MSN Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, Facebook Messenger. If you click on Facebook, this is application by Samsung, and the application is working just fine here. Maybe it will load the uh, Facebook page, like the old like kind of Facebook page again. And we have Bluetooth here, so you can, this is a Bluetooth messenger, not really Bluetooth. And we have communication section, we have Google here, so mail and other things are search. And we have image editor, so you can, so we have a picture here of the Samsung battery you can set, and also you can edit. So you have filter, style, wrap, and partial blur. Few things are here. Also we have like game and more. In the game and more section, we have chat on, again Facebook Messenger. The one I already showed you there. And we have few more things, G-Talk, and here we have Opera Mini, which I have already shown you there, and few other things. And they have given few games as here, as you can see, Twister and Gorilla Rampage, Midnight Pool 2, Pac-Man, and Star Invasion. But these games actually doesn't run. They will charge you from the carriers, as you can see. Try a play, so they will charge, as you can see here. They're showing. So this game's pretty useless, but I did install few games here like Bounce, which doesn't work here. And I have installed Bouncy Tales, also doesn't work. As you can see, the wide screen, it doesn't run. And few like Deer Hunter is working. Yes, as you can see, Deer Hunter is working just fine. And I have installed JTube here, and if I open JTube, it does load the home page, but it can't play the videos. As you can see here, the videos are here, but if I try to play, it will not be able to play because the browser cannot handle video playback. So watch. Yeah, launch browser, as you can see. So it doesn't work. Even I have tried, and the JetTube version here is a Samsung version, but still it doesn't work. But yeah, there is another one I have installed, JetTube Lite, which is also has same kind of issue. It can load the page, but it cannot like play the video. It's a similar thing. And other things like Opera Mini 8 doesn't work. You'll have Java error. And also I have installed like Snake 3, which also doesn't work. And yet another. This is a classic arcade game, so this one is running pretty well. So few things to, and other things like Samsung apps, which will maybe not working anymore. So if I go, so it's not working anymore, so you cannot do anything here. And if you go to settings section, we have sound profile. If you go to display section, there are few things you can change wallpaper. And if you go to theme section, there are three themes. In Nokia devices, you can download themes and install and apply, but in this device you can't do that. If you go to smart home, you can choose few of the screen setting, or also you can choose the shortcut like display shortcut. And if I go here, you can say dialing display, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can choose brightness, and display is quite pretty bright. You can choose black light and other things. So there is few. If you go date and time, you can change. And in phone section, we have flight mode, language, and shortcut. So in language section, as you can see, If you buy it from India, maybe you will have Indian language too. Shortcut, you can change this shortcut also. Call backup security and PC connection, backup manager, security section. There is one thing which actually I found is that there was a section where you can make a fake call thing, and I have checked that. I really need to find out. Yeah, there is an option called fake call. So how does it work and what is the purpose of this thing? I don't know, but it works like if your device is like locked. So if it is locked, like you have to press maybe 05 time maybe. Let me find out how to active that one. So if you call section fake call help, if I go to help, you have to like press and hold the down key to active filter. Press and hold the down key. So so if it is lock section, then if you press and hold the down key, maybe it will make the phone call. Let me check. I did try actually. It was working. Like they will make a phone call to your device, and you can put any name or anything like. So this is you can receive fake call after set time. Press and hold the and if you are down key 4 times, press the down key 4 times continuously when it's locked. So if we lock the device, and if I click like 4 times, 1 2 3 4, as you can see fake call activated, and there will be a fake call which lasts like 10 second, 30 second, whatever you set, it will last there. It just, and I have set like, as you can see, I just set this one, and you can do it too. I don't really know what is the purpose of this. Maybe it can help sometime, but I don't really know how to use. And security section, we don't have anything like that. So that's it all about this device. Actually, nothing much here, but one thing I have to say that the phone call quality of this device is really great, and also like typing on this device also really great. Although it is having a T9 keypad, you have to press, but still it's really good. And 3G network is always present in this device. Although sometimes my phone cannot connect like network here, but still this device can handle it pretty well here, and it does work actually. So, and another thing about like the speaker quality is also really good. Let me just go to sound profile. Maybe you can check minimal, and if I, so as you can see that the sound quality is quite good here. For a dumb phone purpose, this is quite good device actually. And the battery also can last very long on this device, like 3 4 days sometime. I haven't charged this device for 2 3 days actually. The battery is still full, and it works really great. So that's it all about Samsung Hero 3G. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.